So I had this incomplete Borla exhaust that I try to make work with some other piping. It just didn't work, and we're getting rid of it, and we're putting in this guy right here. I have the other piece over there because we're going to be putting that guy in first. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to go from there to the rear or whatever, but it's my first time. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, bro. Well, shout out to X. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Got this from him. This is coming off of his G. Makes a lot of videos too about his car if you want to check him out. Holy moly, what a difference already. Oh, that's so funny looking. That went in a lot easier than I thought. Wait, pause. Let's do this guy real quick. These bad boys. Got the Blastoise. How do you say his name? Blastoise. I don't even know, but them things are booming. Look at that. That is sick. Oh my gosh. It's like these are the nuts of the car. Should really polish them though. Anyway. Motherfucker. Man, I had a lot of issues with the front. I ended up using one of the wrong bolts in the front too, but too lazy to take it off. Pretty sure I was supposed to put this in the front, so if X is watching this, he's probably like, bruh, are you kidding me? Check it out. It's all installed. Woo. Man. Ran into some issues, of course. Woo. All right, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up, turn her on. So it's been about a week since I've installed the exhaust and there's been no issues. It sounds great. I don't really want to like rev it up high in the neighborhood because I'm not trying to annoy the neighbors, but hopefully with the little clips you guys saw, you can get a good idea of how it sounds with the startup and a little bit of revs here and there. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Let's go check it out real quick. I just washed the car, by the way. Heck yeah. It is really coming together. That is gonna be it for this video. I'll put a link for the stuff that I've done to this car in the description. It's just been a lot going on, but hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. If there's anything that I missed out on, tell me and I'll answer it. But yeah, appreciate all the support, guys, and see you in the next vid.